Welcome again. So now we will try to understand what exactly WordPress is, or in short, what exactly a content management system is. Because WordPress is a content management system. So let's try to understand that. So if you see any website like this one, what do you see? There are certain menu items on the top. There's a text website header. There is certain text here, there's certain text here, then we have a background image, then we have cards like structure which has an icon, text, and then subtitle text. Similarly, this repeats, couple of buttons, and they have their text and maybe the link where if you click where it should go. Similarly, portfolio section with the card structure with image text. So this website has this, and it also has blog section. If you click, it will take you to the blog. And if you click on this, it will take you a page, blog page, where you will see the details of the blog. Like you can read the text, you can have the author details. So now let's say I want to keep the layout everything as is. I don't want to change the layout, but I want to change this text without changing my code. I want to change this text without changing my code. I want to change this background image without changing my code. I want to change this icon or this text or maybe uh, a link where this button should go. I want to change it without changing my code, without needing to do a complete build and deployment of a new code. If I want to do that, then I need a content management system which will manage the content of my website. Content means this text, this image, this text, this icon image, this text. It can to now it's if something, it can be hello world, and it will be hello world without user noticing. I should be able to modify it from somewhere and it should reflect automatically without I needing to do any deployment or code changes. That's the power of content management system. So the website layout will look exactly same, but the text content or the image part or any kind of button links or this menu items can dynamically change without the need of extra developer intervention, without the need of extra coding or any extra deployment. So it will change on the fly. So that power is provided by a content management system. There are many content management systems like Joomla, Drupal, WordPress. WordPress is one of the most popular one. So we are going to dive into the details of WordPress today. Thank you. Let's continue in the next video. Now that we know WordPress is a content management system, let's look at it in action. So I will do nothing. I will explain you everything what are these items. But before that, I want to show you what we just understood that a content management system can do. So I will click here and go to view this, and I'm seeing a text here called hello world, and my website is running on this URL. Now if I want to change the text of this, and if I click on this, it takes me to the detail page where it shows what was the title, what was the text, who published it, what was the category, were there any comment, everything is shown. Let's say I want to, and also there's a title called custom theme and just another WordPress. Let's say I want to modify this. So let me do that. So I can go to settings general and I can say awesome website. And if I just save this without any code changes, if I go now and refresh my browser, you see it has got modified. Perfect. Similarly, if I go to click here, it takes me to the home page. Now this is hello world. Let's say I want to go and change it. So I can go, it's hello world. So I'm going to just say, I want to modify it. I want to say welcome to hello world, and maybe I will say welcome to the world of WordPress. And I will update this. Before updating, I can even preview it. What it means is before my customers or the end users see what will change, I can see it for myself and see in website or desktop how it will look. So let's say I will say desktop. So before it's going to show me like this, but it has not yet changed on the end users. But if I refresh this, it's still the same. But I can preview my content before it is made live to the outside world. And if I see, okay, this preview looks good, I can close this and go and update this. And if I refresh now, the end users of my website can see that. So this power comes with a content management system like WordPress. So there are different content editors in various companies who make sure they manage the content of a website without the intervention of developers. Let's say I want to post a new article. So if I click here, add new, and I can say CMS WordPress, and I want to write here WordPress is a great content management system CMS which dominates the internet. Till today, many websites are built and run on WordPress because of this nice capability. So if I can do a preview, I can save it for later. But if I publish it, it's going to tell me where it is going to get published. And if I publish and now go to my page, click refresh here, I will see two posts. One I just posted, another which was already existing. If I click on this, it will take me to details of that post, detail page of the post. So this is what you can do, and you can do much more with a content management system like WordPress. So in the next video, we are going to continue and see the details about these menu items. So thank you. Let's continue in the next video.